Buying your first car is probably one of the most significant decisions of your life. It will introduce you to new responsibilities like financing and maintenance that you've probably never encountered before. When searching for a car, you need to make some decisions, such as a new or used car. Want to buy it or lease it? What is your budget? Knowing all of this, you could also use a little help. We at Carshopper.com are always ready to extend a helping hand. Carshopper.com is Pennsylvania's one-stop car buying and selling store that operates online. Visit www.carshopper.com.